Normally, when you copy and paste or cut and paste everything from the source, that is the data, formatting, formula, comments, etc., are copied to the target or the destination cells. This is the default behavior in Microsoft Excel when you use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V to paste. However, you may want different pasting options in some situations. Say, you just want to paste the cell values and not the formulas, or you may want only the data but not the formatting. In all such cases, you may need to use Paste Special. Let us see the various examples that is available for you under Paste Special in Excel in this lesson. Use this channel to upskill your expertise on Microsoft Excel, Word or PowerPoint. Do subscribe if not done already. Before we look into the different options to paste in Microsoft Excel, let us see the different ways to paste. So there are 4 ways with which you can paste your data in your worksheet. That is, you can use Ctrl+V, or you can use paste in the clipboard options, or you can use Paste Special, or you can use the paste options while right-clicking your mouse. When you copy data using Ctrl+C, you can use Ctrl+V to paste your data. Similarly, when you cut your data using Ctrl+X, you can copy using Ctrl+V. The other option is using the clipboard menu group under the Home tab. So you have a copy option here, and then you have a paste option here. This is nothing but your Ctrl+V. You can also use the paste option and the paste special option here in the clipboard menu, and you can also use this paste special and then use the pop-up menu group to paste special your different values. You can also right-click your mouse and then use the various paste options, including the one which we have seen from the clipboard menu on your Home tab. Let us now see the different options to paste in Microsoft Excel. So I have a source data which we will use to demonstrate the different options. So I have already selected the data. Let me copy this data, and then when I paste here, this pastes everything from the source to the destination. This is your normal Ctrl+V, and this pastes all the data including formatting, comments, formula, etc. The other option would be to paste the formulas. Here Excel pastes only the formulas and not any formatting or comments. You can see the formula in the formula bar. The third option would be to paste the formula as well as number formatting. You can see the difference. Now Excel has pasted the numbers with the number formatting together with the formulas, whereas in the previous case it has just pasted the formulas. No number formatting has been pasted there. To demonstrate pasting, keeping the source formatting, let me format this with something like this. Now let me copy the data, and then here let me paste this particular option here. Irrespective of my destination formatting, the pasted cells will contain the source formatting. The fifth option will be pasting but without any borders. So my source data contains cell borders all around, but here in this particular case the pasted value contains no borders. Let me reduce this column width as well as this. Let me copy this, and then I paste the data using keeping the source column width option. So in this case, though the column widths were sufficient, since we have selected the pasting with keeping the source column width, the destination column width has been reduced accordingly. So the next option will be to transpose data. So I select the option transpose here. So what happens here is that the rows become column here and the columns become row here. So whenever you want to reorient your data, you can use the transpose option. Let me adjust this column width. So let me paste only the values here. So here there is no formatting, either number formatting or cell formatting. The next option will be to paste values with number formatting. The difference is here it is just value, but here it's value with number formatting. The 10th option will be to paste values together with source formatting. So here there is no formula copied, but all the values have been pasted with the source formatting. The 11th option will be to paste only the formats, nothing else. And I can also paste as a link. Instead of values, here I pasted the data as a link. If you can see from the formula bar, instead of number, this is shown as a cell reference. So whenever I change the source data, this will get changed. The next option will be to paste as a picture. So you can move the picture wherever you want to place it. So the 14th option will be to paste as a linked picture. The difference between this picture as well as the previous picture is here this picture values are linked to the source data. So if I change the values here, say for example I change 500 here, then in the linked picture this 100 will become 500. That's the difference. So let me select the data, go to the option paste special. So I get a pop-up box. So what you see here at the upper portion is the one we have seen most of the options earlier, but below you can also paste using some of the operations. Say for example, if I click add here and then click OK, the values from the source will get added to the destination cells. So if you see here it's 100, in the source it is 500. Now if I give OK, this will become 600. Before I demonstrate the other option, let me change this unit sold for the first row as 0. So let me keep that as a blank and then I copy here. I click paste special. Here by default the operation is none. So if I click OK, you see since I have a blank record in the source, the destination also gets updated with a blank when I pasted it over here. Let me undo this and then go to the option again. This time I select skip blanks. So what will happen is even if I have a blank in the source, if I have a data in the destination, the blank will not overwrite the destination. So this 100 will remain 100 instead of becoming a blank there. So the next option is to paste only the comments. From the source, only the comments will be pasted here, nothing else. And the 19th option will be from the source, I want to paste only the validations. So if I click here and then go to data and then check validation, yes. So there is a validation in the source and that got pasted in the destination. For the 20th and the last option, let me select couple of rows here and then I click copy. So I right click here and then I select insert copied cells. So I select the option shift cells down. Excel inserts the copied cells here by shifting downwards. See the difference? If I just give paste here, this overwrites, but if I click right and then give insert copied cell, it's appended to the original cells. This is all about the various options to paste your data in Excel. Use this channel to upskill your expertise on Microsoft Excel, Word or PowerPoint. Do subscribe if not done already.